In this video, I'm going to explain to you the 2020 decluttering rule. This is a rule that you can use to help decide if you want to get rid of those things that you kind of think you don't need anymore, but you're not quite sure. So sometimes it's pretty easy to make decluttering decisions. We look at things and we think, yeah, that can absolutely go. I don't like that item. I haven't used it and it held no value for me. But what do you do about those other things? Those things that you think maybe I could let go of, but maybe I'm going to need it, or maybe I'm making a mistake, or what if I change my mind later? Here's what we like to use for things like that. We call it the 2020 decluttering rule. And the way the rule works is this. If you have an item that you're kind of on the fence about, like for instance, these beer glasses that I have that have been sitting up in my cupboard for the last 20 plus years. If you have something like that that you think, I probably could give this away, but I'm not quite sure, you can use the 2020 decluttering rule. And the way it works is this. If you can replace this item for less than $20 and in less than 20 minutes, then it's safe to give it away. These glasses in particular, I'm pretty sure we could probably get a set of 2 glasses for 20 bucks, and Amazon, 2 clicks away, probably take under 2 minutes to replace these glasses. So this is a pretty safe bet. We haven't used these in literally years and years and years. Whenever someone has a beer at my house, either they're drinking it out of the bottle or, we're just not drinking a lot of beer. We're kind of more wine people. So again, these glasses have just been sitting there gathering dust, and guess what? Someone else isn't able to use them because I'm kind of hoarding them here back in my cupboard. So this is a perfect example of using the 2020 rule and just saying it is time to say goodbye to these glasses. Something else, something like this, for instance. This is a cake stand that is quite nice, but again, we're not making cakes hardly at all in my house. Can I replace this in 20 minutes and for less than $20? Well, actually, I don't think I could, because it's pretty unique. It's pretty special. I think I bought this actually at a yard sale, so I'm not sure at all that I could replace this particular cake stand for less than 20 bucks. So this is a keeper, even though it's only being used maybe once or twice a year. This is something I'm going to hang on to and not let go of, because the 2020 rule tells me this is something that I should hang on to. Next time you are faced with a decision where you're kind of on the fence and you think maybe I could let this go, but I'm not quite sure, just put the 2020 rule into place and see if that helps you make your decision. You may decide to modify the rule and make the 30-30 rule, or maybe it's the 60-10 rule, whatever works best for you, depending on where your budget is, where your threshold is, and how much free time you have. But definitely use this as a rule of thumb when you are making decisions on those kind of iffy types of items. Does your messy house make you crazy? If so, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'm not going to stop giving tips until your house is all cleaned up.